Good day everyone. Today I'll be taking you to the one of the most iconic landmarks in the Philippines, the majestic Mount Mayon located in the beautiful province of Albay. Mount Mayon is situated in Legazpi City, Albay in the Bicol region of Luzon. It is the highest peak in region standing 2,463 meters above sea level. Mayon is world renowned for its perfect cone shape, making it one of the most photogenic volcanoes in the world. Is an active stratovolcano and the centerpiece of the Mayon Volcano Natural Park. Mount Mayon holds deep cultural and historical significance. He erupted over 50 times in the past 400 years, shaping the lives and traditions of the Bicolanos. One of the most devastating eruptions occurred in 1814, which buried the Cagsawa town, leaving only the iconic Cagsawa ruins that we can still see today. Mayon also influenced local folklore, particularly the tragic love story of Daragang Magayon, which means beautiful maiden, believed to be the origin of the volcano's name. What makes Mayon unique? Aside from its perfect cone, it's offer adventure tourism such as ATV rides across the lava trails, trekking, photography tours, and cultural heritage visits like the Cagsawa ruins and Daraga Church. Its breathtaking sunrise and sunset views make it a top destination for both local and international travelers. To protect this natural wonder, the government and local communities have established the Mayon Volcano Natural Park, which promotes ecotourism and disaster risk reduction programs. Strict regulations are in place to maintain its beauty, limit human impact, and ensure the safety of both tourists and locals. Mount Mayon is not just a volcano. It's a symbol of resilience, beauty, and cultural heritage for the Filipino people. So if you want an adventure that combines nature, history, and cultures, Mount Mayon should be on your travel bucket list. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Yeah.